I thought I wouldn't be called because I feel so shameful because I haven't passed any ordinance and I haven't. I only passed one resolution. But this is something that I would like to address the body,
Kung-
especially the beloved Vice
Congressman.
Governor. At sa mga kababayan po natin na nanonood po ngayon at manonood sa ating pong live segment. Ano po? I came to this August body as member of it last January 30. And I felt the warm welcome right away. But with that welcome, warm welcome, was a challenge for me to be part of this venerable institution, to pass and legislate ordinances and resolutions that would benefit the people of Occidental Mindoro. It is indeed a challenge because right there and then, it was not easily given in a silver platter, but I have to work hard for it. And that is something that is inculcated in me from the very beginning, from the first day that I came to be a member of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng Occidental Mindoro. And I also remember the warm welcome of each one. And I am so glad, because the thing is, I am inspired the way the Sangguniang Panlalawigan members render their service to the people of Occidental Mindoro. Alam niyo po, mga kababayan ko na nasa Occidental Mindoro, ang ating mga membro po ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, they go out of their own way. They walk that extra mile. Nagpapakahirap po sila. I know, katulad ng sinabi ng aking kaibigan na si Bukal Coco Menjola, it may not be financially rewarding, but personally, emotionally, spiritually, this is the best place where you will ever be. At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa aking mga kasamahan sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, especially with siya po yung nagtitimon, our beloved Vice Governor Diana Apigotayag. She is the captain of the ship, and we are on the right track and right destination because of her guidance, because of her wit, and because of her wisdom. Alam niyo po, sometimes you may observe that we argue with one another. We may not have the same ideas. Because the thing is, that's very normal. Even among members of a family, yung mga magulang, yung mga magkakapatid, they had arguments. Yan po kami dito sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan. But we remain respectful to one another. Kaya nagiging matagumpay at very successful itong 14th SP dito po sa ating lalawigan. And in fact, I'd also like to thank, sa mga leaders po natin, especially with our beloved Governor Eduardo Gadiano, who leads us by example. Same thing with our Congressman Odie Tariela, kahit na nahihirapan na po siya, biyahe dito, biyahe doon, but then he sees to it na natutugunan niya ang pangangailangan ng ating probinsya. And once again, sa aking mga kasama po dito sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, I respect you, I love you, and I admire you. Maraming salamat po.